Hello everyone, and welcome to your journey into one of the most fascinating subjects known to humanity, psychology. Have you ever wondered why we do the things we do? Why we feel what we feel? Or what makes each of us uniquely us? These aren't just philosophical musings, they are the very questions at the heart of psychology. In this lecture series, we are going to pull back the curtain on the human mind and behavior. We will explore how we learn, how we remember, why we dream, what drives our emotions, and even delve into the mysteries of mental health. Psychology isn't just for academics, it is for everyone. Psychology is about understanding yourself, about understanding others, and navigating the complex world around you. Whether you are curious about the brain, want to improve your relationships, or simply love a good mystery, you have come to the right place. So, get ready to challenge your assumptions, learn some incredible insights, and perhaps even discover a little more about yourself along the way. Let's begin our exploration into the incredible world of psychology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more insight.
What is the definition of psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and the behavior. It focuses on how people think, feel, and act, and tries to understand the reason behind human behavior. Psychology explores what we think, our thoughts, what we feel, our emotions, what we do, our behaviors. What are goals of psychology? Why psychology is important? Why humans need knowledge of psychology? Psychology has four main goals. The first goal is to describe behavior. In order to describe behavior, psychology asks us what is happening. It is also explain behavior. In order to explain behavior, it asks us why is it happening. And also, psychology predicts behavior. In order to predict behavior, it asks the question, what is likely to happen next? It also control or modify behavior. So, in order to control or modify behavior, it should answer the question, how can we change or improve behavior? Psychology has also its own branch because it is a broad field. So, some major branches include clinical psychology, mental health disorders and therapy, counseling psychology, daily life problems, stress-solving mechanism and relationships, educational psychology, which explores about learning, teaching, and student behavior. Developmental psychology explores about human growth from birth to old age. And social psychology, how people behave in groups. And health psychology studies about mind-body connections, stress, wellness. And industrial or organizational psychology studies about workplace behavior, motivation. And cognitive psychology, which studies about memory, thinking, problem solving. Importance of psychology. Why we need psychology? Psychology is important because it helps us understand ourselves better, improve relationships with others, manage stress and emotions, make healthy decisions, solve conflicts peacefully, enhance work performance and productivity, raise children wisely, implement health and well-being. So this all are the importance of psychology for human. Is the psychology science or philosophy? Psychology uses scientific methods such as observation, surveys, experiments, case studies. This makes psychology reliable because it is based on evidence, not guesses or assumptions. What are key concepts in psychology? Behavior. Any action people do, speaking, walking, eating, these are called behavior. Mind. Thoughts, memories, imagination, attention, decision making. These are called mind, because thoughts, memories, imagination, and decision making are done by our mind. Emotion. When we say emotion, it is feelings like happiness, sadness, fear, anger, and love. Personality. Personality is what makes each person unique. And the other one key concept in psychology is motivation, the reason behind our actions. How we apply psychology, application of psychology in daily life. Psychology affects our daily life more than we think. How we learn new skills, how we react to stress, why we choose certain foods or clothes, why people fall in love, how we form habits, how social media affects our thinking, how we can change bad habits and build good ones. These all are the application of psychology, whether we know them or we didn't know them. Psychology affects our daily life, either directly or indirectly. When we conclude, psychology is not only a field for experts, it is a science that everyone should know. It helps us understand people, improve our behavior, and build a healthier society. By learning psychology, we learn how the mind works, why people behave the way they do, how we can improve ourselves and help others. So, this is all about introduction to psychology. In the next lecture, we will see how psychology